Hi, Art fans. Welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today is June 24th, and we'll be looking at midweek update. So from Monday to Wednesday data, we'll be looking at the market value trend, any new companies added or removed. We will be looking at the biggest moves for first 3 days. And at the same time, we'll be putting spotlight on Coinbase. We'll be looking at the trend of Coinbase, how ARK has been investing in it, and has it been rising through the ranks or falling through the ranks more recently? So let's take a look at that. I'll see you on the other side. Please like and subscribe because that helps me immensely. Thank you so much. Welcome back, guys. Today we are doing a midweek update. So I have just three data points for you: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They started the week with 45.52 billion, and in the middle of the week on Wednesday, end of day, they were at 47.25 billion. So very upward trend and looking very promising. Hopefully, it continues to go up. And today also, I'm hearing positive news since Tesla has gone up. I think the ARK would go up because that's their number one stock. Their positive or negative days depend on that stock by a lot. So hopefully even more. Today's data has not been uploaded by ARK on their website yet, so we are doing the midweek update today. Number of companies that they are invested in has stayed constant this week. Started with 268 companies this week, and still in the middle of the week, it's still 268 companies. But there are some big moves this week, so let's take a look at that first. We take a look at big moves two ways. One is by number of shares added or removed, so percentage of shares change from its previous day value. So in this case, we have selected half of the week, so Monday to Wednesday. So the difference would be from Friday from previous week. So these are the companies that fit that criteria of 2% change, 2% or more change. Let's sort this. 2% or more change in shares position, positive or negative, will show up here. This is the rank of those companies. And let's take a look at it quickly. Coinbase appears here as well. So Splunk is the new company. It was there in their portfolio long ago, and they completely got rid of it. And now recently, since last week, I think they started another position in Splunk all of a sudden, rank 105, 115. So this is how it's trending. The stock price has gone up, and they have invested more and more, 88% extra this week actually. So 197,000 shares, causing a difference of almost $30 million there. It's a mixed. Basically, they added more share, and the stock price also went up, and hence this is the output in terms of market value. Then Ping and Healthcare and Tech. So this they added 42% extra shares, ranking 109. When I hover over it, you'll see where it's present. It's present in FinTech ARKF, and that's the data. That's the trend of shares and stock price in this week, causing difference of 20.9 million. Quantum SI is a new company again. Very recently invested in that. Added almost 40% extra shares. Not a big difference in market value though. You have Grayscale Bitcoin. They have invested more and more and more, even though as we all know, Bitcoin has been decreasing in value. They are investing more in it because they are very bullish since beginning. They are not allowed to invest in Bitcoin, so they invest in this Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, ranked 52 overall in their portfolio. JD Logistics, again, one more company that they have been highly bullish on, has gone. The stock price is kind of constant. This line chart shows that it has gone down, even though the value is still $5.03 because the difference is in the second decimal point, which I'm not showing here. Then you have Coinbase, ranked 10, very highly ranked company, and we'll take a look at it in spotlight charts in just a bit. 6% extra shares added there, truly biggest move. 74.7 million this week till Wednesday. Then you have Blade Air Mobility, 3% extra shares added, even though the net effect is negative because the stock price went down. KE Holdings, 3% extra. UiPath, again, we put spotlight on UiPath yesterday. 3% extra shares so far this week, causing a difference of 18.8 million. In the negative, Galileo Acquisition Corp, 3D company, they have been getting rid of quite a bit. It has been popping up. I won't be surprised if they completely get rid of it in Thursday's data. We don't have Thursday's data yet. BYD, electric car company from China, and Warren Buffett is heavily invested in this as well, showing very negative there. Pure Storage Inc., minus 8%, and Pluristem Therapeutics, again present in genomics and Israel, negative 17.3%. So that's biggest moves by percentage of shares. Let's take a look at biggest moves by market value. Let's increase the threshold so it becomes more consumable. For first half of the week, let's see which one has made the biggest impact. As expected, Tesla is the one. Stock price going up to 656, but this is up till Wednesday, guys. Rank 1, even though the number of shares changed, is very less. This is the company that has made the biggest impact and took ARK up with it. Roku, second highest, not far behind, 178.9 million, and ranking 3 in their fund. Teladoc, rank 2, again, not so far behind, 93. Well, not it is a distant third actually, but ranking number 3 in terms of biggest moves. Twilio, present in 3 ETFs, going up. All of these going up mainly because the stock price going up. As you can see, there is not much movement in the shares. The stock price went up quite a bit. In this case, 6% extra. Coinbase we went over already. Unity Software, Spotify, Twitter. Feel free to pause the video and if you want to take a look at the trends that pop up as I hover over these bar charts. Zillow, Exact Science, then you have Zoom, Shopify, 3D Systems, Pacifica Biosciences, Too Simple, Grayscale, Bitcoin. Palantir also, they have bought just 1% change in the percentage of shares, but the stock price is ticking upward and hence taking the overall position up. Square Inc. present in 3 ETFs, stock price going up. Splunk, we already talked about that. DraftKings also going up. KE Holdings, Ping An Health. So that's the biggest moves by market value. Let's take a look at overall portfolio. This is how it looks compared to starting off the week. Now you have Tesla and Roku, the green is green, and some reds. There is C. You have RQ, Square Inc. But as you saw in the trend of market value, it's very, very green. Now let's take a look at added or removed companies. Looks like there are no added or removed companies, so all good there. But we are putting spotlight on Coinbase today. So let's select Coinbase in the spotlight charts. People who have been following this know how these charts work. So let's select Coinbase quickly. The first chart is shares count trend. We generally increase the date range to the beginning since I've been recording, just so that we take a look at the bigger trend. I've been recording data since January, but this company IPO'd in April, and that's when they started with the position there. April 15th is the first date that we see here when they invested in it, and they have been very bullish in it. As you can see, they've been buying more and more and more. Very vertical line here. Started with 0.7 million, reaching 5 million shares in matter of 2 months. May, June, yeah, matter of 2 months, 2.5 months, they have increased the position by almost 10x there. Well, not 10x, but at least 7x. Then the stock price at the time of IPO was 328 and it reached 342 once, and it has been trending downwards ever since, and that's the reason they've been investing more and more in it. They're very bullish on cryptocurrencies. This is a platform that allows you to buy cryptocurrency, Coinbase, and this is the market value trend. How this works is a function of these two, and this chart overpowers this guy, and hence market value trend is similar to shares count trend. They are $1.12 billion invested in this. Now let's take a look at this chart. I kind of started with this chart. Many people have copied it. Very interesting chart. You'll see this on many websites now, which is kind of sad because this was an innovation that I brought to you guys. When you click on that, you'll see the ranking of this company in 268 companies that they are invested in. It starts in the middle because the data is from January onwards. They invested in April, and at the get-go itself, the ranking was very high. It was 58 rank in 268 companies, and it's been going up ever since. And it even reached as high as rank 6. Can you believe that? And it's been recently down to rank 10 just because cryptocurrency market has been going down since the time Elon Musk. Basically, Tesla stopped taking Bitcoin as a currency to buy Tesla products. So since then, it has been going down, but they continue to invest in it more. So that's that. That's the spotlight on coin. Let's also quickly actually slice it by ETFs. Let's see if it's present in more than one. Yeah, it is present in 3 ETFs, and they have been buying more and more. The maximum they have been buying in is in ARK, followed by ARKW, and then followed by ARKF. So those are the 3 ETFs they're present in. And yeah, market value trend follows this trend. So that's how they've been trending. So that was your daily dose, guys, with Coinbase Spotlight. Please like and subscribe because that's the easiest way to support this channel. It's for free, and I keep bringing this awesome content to you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.